Hey guys, Portia here, and today we will be unboxing my brand new Brother sewing machine. Really excited because I have not purchased a new machine in almost 20 years. But before we open it up, we have to pay homage to those that came before. So let me show you my old machine. We'll put it to rest and then see what's going on with the new machine. So I got this model almost 20 years ago. It's the SE600D. The new one is the SE600. But the thing about this is, this was my very first sewing machine. My husband got it for me, and he was the first person who recognized the creative in me. He knew that I was totally into all sorts of arts, different crafts and things like that. So he bought this for me to help pique my interest into something different. So it's a little bit bittersweet. Me and this machine have been through a lot of ups and downs. It spent some time in the box for years. I pull it in and out. The cartridge doesn't work anymore, but I found a workaround. There are even parts in here, guys, that are eroded. So it's certainly time to get rid of it. But like I said, this is one of the best gifts that he's ever got me. So it's a little bit bittersweet, but I think I'm gonna find something creative to do with it, because I actually still want to be able to see it in my workspace. So I think I might add it to the wall. But yeah, out with the old, in with the new. All right, so we have our presser foot, and of course our power cord, dust cover, little embroidery hoop. I'll probably be buying a couple more of these, because just in case I want to embroider on a bigger space or a bigger area. We got our notions and accessories here, all that good stuff. All right. Oh, let's see, what is this? Oh, our feet, the different feet that it comes along with. In this model, I think it came with 7. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And of course, I can use whatever didn't come with this one. I have old ones or other ones that came with my original embroidery machine. Our bobbins here. So yeah, pretty cool. All right. Okay, and this is the piece that attaches to the machine to turn it into a embroidery machine. So it's a little bit bigger than what I had on the previous model, but looks good. Don't need that. Oh, the book hasn't changed in almost 20 years. It looks pretty much, well, you know what, actually the book that came with the previous model, I thought it was the same. The book that came with the previous model was really, it was one piece and it was thick. I'm noticing here, these are several different books. So of course I have to explore these a little bit later. But it looks like it may be more information than what came with the previous ones. So all 3 of these are actually the same. So, and then got a little bit extras here, which is pretty awesome. So yeah, I'll totally explore those a little bit later. All right, so what I have been waiting for, the actual machine. So let's get this out of the box and onto the table so we can take a closer look at it. I mean, don't you just love getting new things? It's like super duper shiny and bright. But yeah, it really, the thing that I will not miss on my old machine, I was gonna say it really doesn't look any different from the 270D that I got, but that's not true. The cartridge thing where you slide, the cartridge where you slide the thread in and out is super temperamental, because sometimes it'll catch, sometimes it won't. When I first got it, it worked like silk, but as the years went on, it started to become temperamental, and a lot of times I ended up having it threaded by hand myself. which totally defeated the purpose. So that is a feature that I will not miss. And this one actually is a little bit heavier. My bobbin from my first machine did go out, so I ended up just doing the bobbin by hand, or either just buying them. So I see this is no longer on the inside of the machine, it's on the out. So it also, like I said, the way you thread it, all that good stuff. So I really can't wait to turn it on and use it on my very first project. All right, so there was definitely a lot to unpack here, but not a problem at all. If you are new to sewing, please do not get overwhelmed. All this stuff will make sense in due time. I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like turned on. I haven't created anything yet or anything like that. I just want to show you the screen. It's definitely a nice size, and as with my old machine, we got a little light here. I think the old machine had a light. I don't know. I can't remember. Especially I'm so enamored with the new machine now. So yeah, the light. I definitely know my old machine did not have this little nifty drawer right here. So I think that's pretty dope. But this is also where the embroidery part goes. Let me see if I can take it off. Yeah, it comes off easily. Just wanted to show you guys the embroidery part literally just slides in like that and is ready to do its thing. But yeah, guys, that's all I have for you today. Looking forward to bringing you some projects with, I call it mixed media. So I may be making a hat and sewing in a lining, you know, different things like that. I may be making a project partially, maybe cut the fabric on the Cricut and then sew it on my brand new machine. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. If you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. But until next time, peace.